Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you to call them back. And they want you to call them back on their phone number that starts with 0940. So my question for you is right away, do you know which network that is? And if you don't, no worries. With CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, what you have to do is go to CouponBet and log in on CouponBet. Once you're logged in, you're on the dashboard and we need to go to the Tools tab. So click on Tools. Once you're on the Tools tab, scroll down to the bottom. What we need is the Provider Prefix Checker. So this is a tool that will search any prefix and match it with any known network providers. So let's put it in. And what we need to put in here is 0940. Let's put this in 0940. And there you are. You can see instantly this is a smart prefix. So this is from Smart Telecom. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. So if you like CouponBet, and CouponBet is really designed to help your travel agency to be more organized and structured, and if you like this and you want to have this as well for your travel agency, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.